The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Oh,
Door opens automatically.
boy, that's nice.
Welcome to the Batcave.
So follow me, what we'll do is we're gonna start off with this 3-bedroom unit. And then, just go over some of the highlights.
Sounds good.
All right, let's go.
Wow.
Here we are, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,700 plus square feet. You'll notice it has laundry room immediately off the entrance.
That looks pretty good. Wow. Wow, this is fantastic. This is great. Very nice. The bathroom right here,
Yep,
right off the kitchen.
42-inch upper cabinets, granite countertops. You got this custom backsplash. Now everything you see here, with the exception of the furniture, is standard. All the ceiling fans, all the lighting, the amount of outlets this place has. I don't know if you've noticed, but we've got 9-foot ceilings in here, oversized doors. And if you guys are into construction, this place has poured concrete on every level.
Nice.
One, it helps with rigidity, and number 2, it helps with sound.
Yeah, great.
So take a look around, walk,
Yeah.
open things, close things, measure, do what you need to do. I'm here to answer any questions.
So that's a great little balcony here too.
You know what's really nice about this unit is also the fact that, 1, it does have a corner balcony. 2, the amount of windows in here.
Yes.
And you know how like
Incredible. Yeah, this is great. So let's go check out the bedrooms.
So master bedroom right through this doorway.
Oh man. Wait a minute. Check this out. This is comfortable.
whoa, look at this.
Holy cow. Beautiful. Wow. Very cool. Yeah. Have to do that. Oh man, this is big.
Yeah.
Shower, tub by itself,
Yep.
linen
Custom
closet.
bath,
Walk-in closet.
double vanity.
Ooh. That's carpets too. My pleasure.
Yeah, okay. Very nice. Oh, this is great. Hey guys, come out here, man. There's 2 more bedrooms. And this is great. So check this place out. There's 2 bedrooms here on the other side, and you've got a Jack and Jill bathroom that Taji just visited.
What's also nice about this Jack and Jill bath is the fact that you can separate part of it so you have privacy.
Pocket door. Very cool. Great recessed lighting. Nice. Very nice. How much is this unit? Okay.
So I know we're gonna break down the payments.
And it's a closet. Yeah, this is great.
So 1,715 square feet. This one starts at $495.
Okay, so when you say starts at $495,
Starts at
What does it
$495
go up?
because it goes up every floor, so it's $5,000 per floor.
I gotcha.
With the top floor at this point being sold.
Smart people.
Yeah.
That's good.
So one of the things I wanted to ask when we were downstairs, is there a roof deck or anything like that on top, or?
There's not a rooftop deck, so part of the reason for that is to help keep the assessments low.
Sure.
We don't have a doorman for the same reason.
Got it.
Now, all these things are subject to change once the association starts getting developed.
Got it. Got it, very nice.
It's good.
All right?
Let's go
Awesome.
check
Any
it out.
other questions on this unit?
No, it's beautiful.
All right, let's
Great.
take a look at this other one.
Sounds good. Let's check it out.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.